Ladder logic is easy to read and understand, especially for electricians and technicians who are familiar with relay logic. You should read a PLC panel wiring diagram from left to right and top to down, just like when you're reading a book. Ladder logic is widely used to program PLCs, where sequential control of a process. Ladder logic is useful for simple control systems. Here you can see, the logic is offline, which means the PLC not yet switched on. While turn on the PLC, the power rail provides the power source. I'm going to turn on the power. As I said, the normally open contactor not provide the power to the output. And you can see the second line, the normally closed contact has been providing the power to output. This is what you have been seeing, the exact function of NO and NC contacts in PLC. Operations performed by digital equipment, such as programmable controllers, are based on three fundamental ladder logic functions: AND, OR, and NOT. PLC ladder logic is a programming language used with PLCs. Abbreviated as LD, it is also known as a ladder diagram, and it is one of the most widely used visual programming languages for PLCs. The ladder logic language is preferred over other programming languages because of its easy readability. Presented by Tetrumtec. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for future notification. Visit our website, www.tetrumtec.com.